Assalamu alaikum. This is section number 2 in metrology course. And the first question is about the definition of SI units. And it says, what are the main SI units of measurement? So there are 7 base units of measurements: meter for length, kilogram for weight, second for time, ampere for electric current, Kelvin for temperature, mole for number of substance, and candela for light. Then the other units are driven units, and we will take example for them later. So for now, this system is called the metric system because all measurements are based on meter, kilogram, and seconds. Moving to the second question. Why do we prefer SI unit system? So because it works in tens. Hence, it's very easy to convert a big unit to small one or vice versa. For example, when we convert from 1 meter, it's simply 100 centimeter, and 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram, rather than other systems that convert with fractions. So the second reason to prefer SI units is the existence of a unique unit for each quantity used. So instead of using inch and feet for length, it's just meter. Moving to the third question, and it's about derived SI unit of measurement. We will take a force as an example for driven SI units, and as we know that force equals mass times acceleration, and mass has a basic unit and it is kilogram, but acceleration should be simplified to velocity over time. And then time is a basic SI unit system, but velocity isn't. So we simplify velocity to distance over time. Now the right hand side containing just a basic SI unit, kilogram for mass, meter for distance, and second squared for time squared. So as a conclusion, Newton is a driven SI unit and equals kilogram meter per second squared. Moving to the final question that says, what are the National Metrology Institute? National Metrology Institute is an institute that have a relationship with BIPM, that stands for Bureau International des Beaux et Mesures in French, and means in English the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, that is an office in France for measuring standards. And the main objective of the National Metrology Institute is to build and maintain national standards for the measurements carried out within the country, and to calibrate the measurements standards and devices of lower level laboratories and devices, starting from workshops to laboratories to factories to National Metrology Institute to International Metrology Institute, or that called BIPM.